Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a look at the Bornean horned frog. But first, let's get to know about horned frogs. A horned frog is an amphibian which can live on land and in water. The common characteristics of horned frogs are a pair of horn-like skin projections on their head and an extended pointed snout. Types of horned frogs include Cranwell's, Argentine, Bornean horned frog, and so on. So, what is a Bornean horned frog? A Bornean horned frog is a rainforest species that occurs from southern Thailand through peninsular Malaysia, Singapore, Sumatra, and Borneo. This frog is most observed near stream banks and other bodies of water. A Bornean horned frog is also known as a long-nosed horned frog. The scientific name for the Bornean horned frog is Megophrys nasuta. Nasuta in the scientific name refers to the long triangular projection of skin on the tip of its snout. What makes the Bornean horned frog so cryptic? With triangular horn or leaf-like projections extending over each eye and its nose, the frog could easily be mistaken for a dead leaf on the forest floor due to the dark brown suffusion of irregular spots and markings on top of a tan to the reddish-brown body. A Bornean horned frog's camouflage specialty makes it easier as an ambush hunter, waiting for prey such as big insects, snails, and possibly other frogs to cross its path. It will sit and cower when approached by other animals. As opportunistic feeders, their large heads and wide mouths allow them to tag relatively large prey items. A report found that they can eat snails as wide as 2 inches, as well as potentially problematic food such as centipedes and scorpions. But wait, that's not all. Speculation from one biologist suggests that the Bornean horned frog is probably cannibalistic as well. Many researchers have commented on the difficulty of locating this species during daylight hours, which is completely the opposite during the evening. Why? It appears that while the Bornean horned frog is extremely cryptic during the day, the light from flashlights easily reflects from the frog's eyes at night, instantly revealing its location. Another giveaway to this stealthy frog's position, especially during the reproductive season, is the loud horn-like vocalizations of calling males. On occasions, it lays eggs slightly above the water or at the waterline and hatch approximately 10 to 12 days. The population of the Bornean horned frog is still presumed to be large as they are still commonly found over a wide area. Although the leaf-like appearance of the frog may scare people away, people need to understand that these Bornean horned frogs are beneficial to both human and the ecosystem. Their sensitivity towards ecological and climate changes makes them excellent indicators for assessing forest condition. Therefore, we should not be afraid of them since they will not attack humans. However, deforestation is a significant problem over much of its range, as on the island of Borneo. Continual habitat loss and pet trade may pose challenges for wild populations of the Bornean horned frogs in the future. Together we can move the world to save animals.
The ones who have no voice needs you to speak up.